off the front. Eritrea following. And then Taki Rutamada is caught with 5 kilometers to go. And look at this. This is quite the move from Ethiopia. Then it's tight circle with Tango, who's going clear for the Ethiopians. Eritrea trying to bridge that gap. See Lucy Young and a few others all being dropped. Taka Mikano has been distanced as well. She's gone straight out the back after a superb effort. Solo off the front for so long. But Watango now picking clear for Ethiopia. Eritrean rider can't get across. Look how comfortable she looks. She looks like a pure climber. This is win officially is team time trial junior in the African Continental Championships in 2019. 23-year-old from Ethiopia. Nengs Dawit Nengs is the rider in the chase group for Eritrea. Just trying to see which rider from their country this one is. And she is trying to bridge that gap back up to Watango. 4 kilometers to go now. Oh, there's a little baby goat on the side of the road there. She looked like it was about to sprint across the road. Hopefully it doesn't do that. That would be disastrous. We know that Young has been dropped from the chase group, so it's Lisa Bone and Haley Green who are in the chase group for South Africa. Watango here. She's used her climbing legs both. Can she hold her off? This is going to be very tight all the way to the line. This is absolutely flat out racing all the way to the finish now. It's slowly closing down again. Watango looks around, sees that she is not quite alone just yet. The Eritrean shakes her head. Can she make the gap close? Can she get across? The gap has been brought back. And it's birkti fessahaye who has made it for Eritrea. Fessahaye with Watango 20 trying to force Fessahaye to come through, which she does do. Big more climbing still to do for these two up front. Rwanda doing all they can to bring this gap down, so is South Africa and Namibia also getting involved. 15 seconds, the gap is coming down dramatically. Is this all going to come back together for a sprint on the line with a reduced group, or are these two riders going to stay away? Fessahaye and Watango have a really small representative in that chase group. 10 seconds, 1.2 kilometers to go. 2 leaders. Anything can happen in this chase. Out of the saddle, Watango, opposite side of the road. Just keep it to her tempo, not getting too stressed. At the right, Rwanda going to be bridging this back. Watango and Fessahaye potentially throwing this all away with just over 800 meters to go. How have they allowed this to happen as Watango put too much in too early on the steeper gradients? South Africa is a huge opportunity here. Haley Green is the rider who gets across Watango and Fessahaye being caught. Haley Green for South Africa goes through the 2 riders at the front. Watango is done, she can't do any more. Fessahaye settles into Green's wheel. You see Lisa Bone from South Africa also coming across. One of the Rwandan riders also trying to get there. Watango is just completely empty. Going backwards here. South Africa have shown that they are one of the dominant teams here. Just 3 riders. 2 of them are in a chance of getting the medals here. Jazila Mamikazi for Rwanda is there trying to close it down. Bone has distanced and Watango trying to find a second win here, but the South African has distanced the chasing group. just over 400 meters to go. Fessahaye gets back on top of that gear. Is it going to come down to a 2-ups? Birkti, Fessahaye there as well. 200 meters. See the crowd at the finish line here. They slow up next to each other. They can't afford to play about too much. 100 meters to go. As the sprint opens up, Hayley Preen going for it from the front. Can Fessahaye come around her, or is the South African going to take it all the way to the line? Hayley Preen is the African Continental Champion 2025. Stays with South Africa the title after Ashley Moorman-Pasio took it last year. Come across the line. They're bronze and 4th place. They gave it their all today. There's Watanga. What an effort it was by her. Lisa Bone as well, crossing the line for South Africa. Brilliant in the end here. What a performance. Susanna Fessahaye for Eritrea there, looking completely empty as well. What a heroic effort by Herb watching. Here's the top 10. Hayley Preen for South Africa. Mengs for Eritrea in 6th. Lisa Bone.